The shaded rectangle shown below is a scale drawing of a rectangle whose area is 288 square feet. What is the scale factor of the drawing? So to count the side lengths, we're going to use these squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this one is a 4. So the area of this scale picture is 4 times 8, which is 32. In class, we learned that the relationship between the areas is the scale factor squared. So we are going to create a fraction and then figure out what numbers we can multiply together to get these values. Since this is the scale drawing, it goes on the top and the original goes on the bottom. Both of these are even, so we can create a reduced fraction that is equivalent. 32 divided by 2 is 16, and 288 divided by 2 is 144. Again, we can reduce this. That would be 8, and 144 split into 2 equal parts would be 72. And 8 goes into 72 9 times. So this is the relationship between the areas. We want some number that we can multiply exactly by itself. So 1 times 1 would give us 1 on the top, and 3 times 3. So the scale factor on this problem was 1/3, and we have to use it twice to get to 1/9, which is the ratio between the side lengths. So over here, just scale factor is 1/3.